The second unique capability is dynamic layer thickness. Dynamic layer thickness is the capability to change each layer's thickness along the model's long axis. Let's take a look at how it works. Here, position 0 is shown with thickness set to 5, which can be changed. And at the end of the model, the thickness is also 5 and can be changed. Additional steps can be added along the way, and the thickness can be adjusted. If these steps are applied, the layer will look like this. Start with a thickness of 5 millimeters. At the beginning, go all the way to 40 millimeters from the model's long axis. The thickness is 0, then continue to the end of the model, which will again be 5 millimeters thick. The primary long axis of the model, or the specific axis for alignment, can be easily changed by returning to GrabCAD and use axis and length option. For example, let's select the long bone preset. By selecting the long bone preset, you can adjust the axis and the length plane. By selecting this preset, you can adjust the axis direction. For example, rotate it like this. Make sure to adjust it to match the model's dimensions. And return to the DAC. Now, by selecting dynamic layer thickness, it will follow the axis we chose. So again, start with 5 millimeters thickness at the beginning. Go down to position 40 millimeters, where the thickness becomes 0 and the layer disappears. Then return to 5 millimeters thickness at the end of the model. The layer that is underneath will be useful here. This will serve as the background layer.